Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss graph of inverse trigonometric function called y equal to secant inverse x. And we already discussed that the domain of this function is equal to minus infinity comma minus 1 union 1 comma infinity, and the range of this function is equal to 0 comma pi by 2 union pi by 2 comma pi. And make a note that if we have this type of bracket, it means that minus infinity and plus infinity are not included. And here in this case, we can say that range does not include pi by 2 as its value is infinity. And now let us discuss about domain and range for the trigonometric function y equal to secant x, so that we can draw a graph for inverse trigonometric function y equal to secant inverse x. And now let us write the domain which lie between 0 to pi. So let us consider the values of x. So here these are the values of x, and then substituting the values of x in the function, we get the values of y. So by interchanging the domain and range of this function and marking the values of x on y-axis and the values of y, which are nothing but the domain of inverse trigonometric function, on x-axis, we can draw a graph for y equal to secant inverse x. So first let us consider a coordinate plane, and then let us plot the values of x which are range on y-axis, and then these are the values on x-axis. So at pi by 2 its value is infinity. So let us draw a line over it. And now let us draw a line parallel to x-axis at pi, as the range is from 0 to pi. And now let us plot the order pairs which are pi comma minus 1. So here we get a point. And then the next order pair is 0 comma 1. So here we get a point on x-axis. And we already know that the graph of secant x is in this form. So here we get the graph of inverse trigonometric function in this way. So these are the graphs for y equal to secant inverse x. Hope you understood the concept, and refer to more videos on our channel, VTech Academy. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.